My lord, the term infinitesimal decimal point is a measure of metric we apply to either your intellect or your man-bit. But either way, you do come up short, which I'm sure you've heard from more than just me.
So one of the perks of growing up in Apache Junction, Arizona is you kind of know the roads around here. And yeah, so we're gonna avoid the freeway as much as we can, even though one of the things about going to the Renaissance Festival is that it's literally one road that takes you there, and that road right now is full of snowbirds. But the Renaissance Fair is basically
a giant circus.
Yeah,
it's a giant circus.
It's a giant circus full of knights and damsels and jesters and shit that we don't get into all that much. Jill feels utterly confused by my car's lack of a clutch right now. When in fact, there's two clutches. It's a dual clutch.
Yeah, but you
just can't step on it.
I know. I like stepping on clutches. Like, how do you got two of them and you can't touch them?
It's not an automatic, okay? It's a dual clutch.
Dual clutch.
You're my music, but you tear me to pieces. So where does it come from? The scene that keeps playing on repeat ignores the rule of thumb.
Oh, damn, I didn't wear green. Here's the juice. Actually, you wear green shoes. Damn.
Everyone else did.
What's up?
Hi, David.
Put sunscreen on him.
Jesus Christ, what is that?
This is gonna be exciting. I haven't been here in like 6 years.
Oh, dude. So fun. Yeah. It's pretty fast. Never been.
I think this is Angel's like straight up first time.
Yeah.
So.
Really?
Yeah, never
Popping
been.
his Renaissance shirt.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
What? No way!
There's no cars here, so for a show that's based around cars, we don't have any cars here. So this is like a special episode.
You're not warm though.
Nice.
Work it!
Work it.
You too, little one.
How's your day going so far?
Oh, so far, so good, I suppose. Yes, I've just been ensuring that nobody entering Fairhaven this day is sick. Yes.
How sick? How sick? How sick are we talking?
Plague sick.
Plague sick.
Yes, yes.
Now which kind of plague? Which kind of plague? Because there's just so many.
Oh, the Black Death, of course.
Oh.
Yes.
You have sanitary practices, right?
Oh, yes, of course. Yes, right.
What is the most effective sanitary practice?
To cure the plague?
Yes.
Well, there are many different ways of trying to cure the plague. Many doctors very much disagree on exactly how to cure the plague. Yes, posies, I'm told, should help. Some doctors believe that anyway. Yes, others believe that bloodletting will assist in the healing factor of the person. I prefer leeches, personally. Yes, yes. I do enjoy my leeching.
That's it.
Yes, have you had a leeching yourself recently?
I haven't. But, I mean,
you should schedule one, yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
I can
yes.
do that right after the bloodletting.
The bloodletting.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
Yes,
It used
yes.
to be such a savage world before.
Oh, indeed, yes, it is revolutionary. We are on the Renaissance after all. Yes, yes. I understand that my medical practice might be a little beyond your comprehension, but worry not. I am a very good doctor.
Just a little.
Yes, yes.
Thank you, doctor.
Yes,
Thank you,
of
doctor.
course, of course.
Thank you.
Your night rides in the colors of burgundy and gold. His name is Sir Morrison, Duke of Arcadia.
Larry!
horses for your first jousting event?
Well, you know, I'm just hoping to actually get on the horses and give it their all. Use those stick thingies, and we have a good game.
Good game?
Good game. So, just got out of Ren Fair. I don't know if I can cope with modern life anymore.
We walked a few miles, so.
We walked way too many miles.
Traveling back in time.
We did, and we vaped.
And hopefully by the time this video's up, it'll be before the Good Guys video we got going on.
Oh,
it's
that's
gonna be shot
right.
tomorrow.
Yes, it is. So, it's gonna be a lot of fun, but yeah, this was a lot of fun too. This got awkward super quick, so we're gonna go and sign off. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Love y'all. Bye. Deuces.
My lord, that thing you call a beard looks like a place where balding ferrets go to die. But don't worry, it might fill in after your left one finally drops and is therefore only slightly smaller than your dried up other three. My lord, the term infinitesimal decimal point is a measure of metric we apply to either your intellect or your man bit. But either way, you do come up short, which I'm sure you've heard from more than just me. My lord, I can tell by the grip of your hand you spend a lot of time privately. Indeed, sir. You spend so much vigorous time alone, you're now known as more of an innie than an outie. So what I will say, you tree-humping, hermaphroditic penis wrinkled with eyes, is goodbye. Give him a round of applause. He took it like a human lawn dart he is. Well done, my lord. Well done indeed. Whatever you consider fair. Just keep him away from the petting zoo. The sheep are starting to flinch.
Oh, damn.
Thank you, my lord. Did you wish to return the favor, my lord?
I think I gotta go back to community college now.
Thank you, my lord. No, I use the big words, and I'll try to slow them down for you next time. Just keep him away from the petting zoo. The sheep are starting to flinch. It's the smell of lanolin. It gives him away as a greasy-palmed sheep.
Get out of here.
Enjoy your day, my lord.
Hang on.
What the hell was that?
That was an insult.
Thoughts after that savage meeting?
I don't know how I feel about that.
Yeah?
That was a fortune reading, right?
So wait, he insulted your beard, your dick, and your intellect.
Oh, he sold my beard? I didn't even know.
That's what the dead pheasants. No.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow, I'm way more insulted. Holy shit.
That was the best $2 I've ever spent.
I should have fucking spent money on you.